Hello. Now that we have understood what price rules are, in this lecture we will roll up our sleeves and create one together. Every price rule starts with a price rule record. Seems obvious, but it's just the first of three steps. The price rule record acts as a container for the price condition and price action records. It also has a few critical properties that can affect how the rule operates. Let's see these properties in action together. So to create a price rule, you navigate to the price rules tab, and from there you hit new. Once you are here, we need to fill in these informations. In the attached resource, you will find a link explaining every field. Basically, we have the price rule name, which is the name that you're going to give to your price rule. It will help you identify it later on. Then we have the active checkbox. It's used to activate or deactivate the price rule. Ideally, keep it unchecked until you finish working on your price rule, meaning after you configure your price conditions and your price actions. Then we have the evaluation scope with two options, configurator or calculator. It defines where the price rule is evaluated. If you choose configurator, this means it will be evaluated during the configurator page. If you choose calculator, it means that you will be evaluated in the code line editor, a bit like here at this stage. So if you choose calculator, what you want to do next is to make a choice in the calculator evaluation event. So if the price condition evaluate scope targets the calculator, this setting will determine when the price rule is evaluated within the calculator, on initialization, before calculate, after calculate, or on calculate. As you can see, it's a multi-pick list, so you can even make multiple choices. On the other hand, if you choose configurator, you want to make a choice in this setting, configurator evaluation event. This setting will determine when the price rule is evaluated within the configurator, during this after saving or during editing. Then we have the evaluation order. It specifies the order in which the price rules are evaluated. Lower numbers are evaluated first. It's useful when you have multiple pricing rules. Then we have the condition met field with three options, all, any, or custom. It defines how conditions should be met for the rule to apply. If later on you create different price condition, you can choose whether you want them to be applied all or any or custom. If you choose custom, here you can make, for instance, 1 and 2 and 3, or 1 and 2 or 3, etc. The product field is used to specify a single product for this price. This is useful when you want to create a price rule only for a particular product. Finally, we have lookup object that the price rule can look up for additional data. So without any further ado, let's have a demo together. Let's say that a company wants to provide a 10% discount on all printer products for clients in the electronics industry. To implement this, we will create a price rules that run when the product starts with printer and the account industry is electronics. If these conditions are met, then we can apply a 10% discount. So first step, we're going to create our price rule record. First, we give it a name. Then for the evaluation scope, we're going to choose calculator. For the calculator event, I'm going to choose on initialization. This means that the price rules won't run until the sales reps clicks on calculate. The rest values have different effects. If we choose, for instance, before calculate, this means before CPQ calculates the quote price. On calculate, it means while CPQ calculates the quote price, and after calculate means after CPQ calculates the quote price. The most clear for demo purposes is on initialization. Then for the configuration evaluation event, we're going to keep it blank because for the scope, we choose calculator. For the evaluation order, we're going to choose chin in case we've created other price rules. And then we will hit save. I'm not going to activate it for the moment until I create the price conditions and the price actions. Great. You now have the start of a price rule. Next, you need to create some price conditions to determine when the rule should run.
Thank you for watching. If you are excited to dive deeper, explore the full course, and master Salesforce CPQ today, use the link in the below description to get the full course, who happens to be a bestseller on Udemy. You will get a lifetime access, a certificate of completion, and exclusive content. See you there.